guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cool summer paper squishy with just 2 plastic bags. This is such a fun DIY because it doesn't include any stuffing and you can do it when you're bored in summer, or at any time for that matter. This DIY is a bit like my strawberry paper squishy that I made about March time, so if you haven't watched that, I'll link it in the description below and you can go check that out. I'm sorry I haven't been doing the intro and outro for a long time, just I've been a bit busy, and also I might be posting every 2 weeks now, not once every week, because I'm getting a bit busy now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's get into the clip.
Okay, first what you need to do to make this really cool summer pineapple paper squishy is you need to get 2 bags, put one bag in the other and just scrunch it up to make like a pineapple body shape. After you've done that, you just need to get some tape. It can be packaging tape or the thin tape, and just tape it into place so that it can't puff back up into just a bag shape again. Now you need to get a needle or a pin and poke some holes into the bag, just so that a bit more air can get into it, so it will be more slow rising. Now what you need to do is get a piece of paper and fold it in half. Okay, so now you need to get a yellow pen and just draw a really long circle, the biggest you can on your paper, like so. And then this is just a bit like we did on our plastic bag strawberry paper squishy. So yeah, then what you just need to do is colour it all in. After you've coloured it all in, you just need to repeat that process on the other side of your paper. Now you need to get a black pen or pencil and just draw some V's. So these do not need to be neat at all because we're going to be putting this onto our plastic bag anyway, so yeah. So then after you've done the V's on that side, just turn it over and draw the V's on that side. Now you need to cut it out and then start taping one of the sides onto your plastic bag. If there's some excess, don't worry, just cut that off and then stick that back on wherever you need to. And if you do not have enough yellow paper to cover the whole thing after you've done the other side, don't worry, just make some more yellow paper with V's on and just stick that back on. That's what I actually had to do because I didn't have enough yellow paper on both sides to cover the whole thing. Now what you need to do after you've covered it all in the paper, you need to just cover it all in tape and then poke, like you did before, holes with a needle or a pin into your plastic bag pineapple body. this is going to be your spout, the pineapple top. So first what you need to do is you need to get a turquoise or green pen and just draw quite a long rectangle. This is a bit like the stalk on our strawberry that we did, that I made a few last year. So now after you've done that, just cut it out and roll it up like so, and then just put tape all along that part, all along it to secure it so it won't come undone, like so. Now you need to get some scissors and just start chopping like down the cylinder, I guess you can call it, so that it is like making the leaves. I didn't do it, but you can also, after you finish chopping them all like this, you can make the top bit rounded so it looks like a leaf mole. But that is totally optional. I didn't want to do that because I just didn't. Okay, so now what you need to do is just flatten those leaf parts down, and for the white part of the stalk you can just colour that in the same green colour. I should have done this, but when you're making the rectangle, colour both sides of the rectangle in, not just one side, so they're both green. Okay, so this final step for this is just to stick the top that you just made on the pineapple body.
So this is how my pineapple paper squishy turned out. This is such an amazing slow rising paper squishy. I'm so pleased with how it turned out. It has got a little rip here, but that's fine, I can just tape that back up. And this took me around an hour to make and is super fun if you're looking for something to do whilst during the summer. This is also quite a nice fidget toy, so if you're feeling stressed you can just squish it. And also if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in next week or the week after. Bye! So this is how my summer pineapple paper squishy turned out. I think it's such a fun DIY to make in the summer or if you're bored. And it is only made with a plastic bag, no stuffing, fine liner, some yellow, a yellow pen, a green pen for the spout, scissors, sellotape and a pin. That is it. And I bet you guys all have those supplies around your house. I'm sorry for any background noise, just my siblings and my cousin are being a bit noisy right now. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!